Hi! Organizers can use ExpoFP's floor plans to manage the event layout, handle reservations and booth sales, and track everything in one place. It also helps to explore the venue on any device. Attendees can find exhibitors, sessions, and other points of interest using the search bar, search buttons, or the map itself. They can get directions across multiple floors and buildings once they find their points of interest, including accessible routes. When it comes to sales, you can generate extra revenue with inbuilt sponsorship options that increase exhibitor visibility, such as logo in header, logo in booth, and featured listings, which brings company to the top of the exhibitor list. You can share the floor plan with exhibitors so they can select booths and purchase extras. You can also share access to the exhibitor portal with exhibitors so they can edit their own profiles displayed on the floor plan. Let's jump into the back end where you can manage your floor plan. You can click Designer to build a new floor plan or update an existing one. You can easily add merge, and resize booths based on your event needs. After saving your changes, the front view updates automatically and you can restore any previously saved version. You can access analytics to review the collected floor plan data. These insights can support planning for future events. You can also integrate ExpoFP floor plan into any website or app. The floor plan works offline, including the wayfinding feature, so visitors can still get directions even without an internet connection. You can find more information and get in touch with us at expofp.com.